Poultry production has been a pioneer in efficiency and biosecurity. But today's challenges demand smarter hygiene solutions. Food safety is a global concern. Salmonella strains that endanger human health are increasing the pressure on poultry producers. Like Salmonella Infantis, an emerging serovar that is more and more prevalent worldwide. When cleaning and disinfection fall short, pathogens such as Enterococcus can remain hidden in barns and drinking water systems. That's why choosing the right cleaning and disinfection programs is vitally important. To make that choice simple, CID Lines, an Ecolab company, has developed AVI Prime, a complete hygiene program for poultry production. AVI Prime combines advanced barn and water hygiene, delivering protection during sanitary stops and throughout the production phase. The result is safer water systems, cleaner facilities, and better biosecurity. In field trials, AVI Prime completely eliminated Salmonella in pullet houses from week 12 and reduced Salmonella prevalence in breeder houses by up to 95%, as well as by up to 67% in pre-chilled broiler carcasses. An end-to-end holistic hygiene approach that protects every stage for Salmonella-free poultry meat. Beyond biosecurity, AVI Prime also improves performance, with reduced mortality and improved average daily gain, as well as increased end body weight per chicken each cycle. AVI Prime means advanced hygiene, safer food, and improved performance. Be part of AVI Prime and peak your poultry production.